Media storage is the central library for every digital asset in your account. Images, videos, PDFs, audio files, fonts, and documents. Everything you use inside the platform lives here. The photos on your website, the videos in your courses, the PDFs attached to your emails, the logos on your funnels. One library, one source of truth, used everywhere. The purpose of this section is to eliminate the scattered files problem. Instead of searching through your computer, a Google Drive, a Dropbox, and 3 old email threads every time you need a file, you upload it here once and pull it into any page, email, course, or campaign with a single click. And when you update a file here, it stays consistent everywhere it's used. To upload media, you can drag files straight onto the library from your desktop, click the upload button to pick from your device, or if you've connected to Google Drive, pull files in directly from there. The library supports a wide range of file types: images, video, audio files, PDFs, documents, and even custom fonts in formats like TTF, OTF, and WOFF that you can apply to your sites and funnels. Once files are uploaded, you can organize them into folders and subfolders just like your computer. Right-clicking any file or folder opens a menu with quick options: Preview, Get Link, Replace, Move to Folder, Rename, and Move to Trash. Finding the right file is fast. You can search by name, sort by name, date, or size, and toggle between Grid View and List View depending on whether you want a visual browse or a detailed list. Now this is where media storage starts to feel less like a file host and more like a creative workspace. At the top of the library, there's a My Media dropdown that gives you access to more than just your own uploads. There's a connected Canva view. Connect your Canva account once and your designs show up here, ready to open, edit, or import directly into your library without downloading and re-uploading. There's also Unsplash and Pixabay, 2 royalty-free image libraries with millions of free, high-quality stock photos. Search them right inside media storage, click an image, and it's pulled into your library and ready to use everywhere else. No separate browser tabs, no downloading and re-uploading. And once you have an image, whether it's yours, a Canva design, or pulled from Unsplash, there are built-in editing tools right in the library. Crop, rotate, adjust the image without leaving media storage, so small fixes don't require opening another tool. From the 3-dot menu at the top of the library, you can also pull up a storage breakdown. A clean view of how much space your account is using, broken down by module, media storage, funnels, and memberships. Expand any module and you'll see usage by file type: images, videos, documents, audio, so when storage starts filling up, you know exactly where to look. And if you delete something by mistake, the trash holds on for 30 days. Anyone with access to the location can view trashed items and restore them with one click. After 30 days, files are removed permanently, but until then, accidental deletes are easy to undo. Every part of the platform that needs an image, a video, a PDF, or any other file pulls from here. Your website header image, the video in lesson 3 of your course, the PDF attached to your welcome email, the logo on your invoices, they're all the same files stored once, referenced everywhere, which means a single update propagates to every place it's used.